Dressmakers and friends, welcome again on this channel. Come with me in this video as I show you how to actually attach these droplet beads to my ruffle dress, while I also encourage dressmakers out there that you feel that you really don't know if this thing is what you should keep doing as a sewist or as a fashion designer. Maybe probably you have even done it sometimes back and you feel like you are not getting through to it. You do not just have confidence in the skill. What I want to say to you right now is that the fact that you are on here on YouTube always wanting to learn something good is actually a sign that you are actually made for this. All right, so while I say what I say, keep focus on how to stitch on this droplet. If that is the reason why you are actually here, take a look at how I am attaching it to the ruffles. I hope that whatever I'm going to be saying in this video will also encourage you as well. So how do you want to sharpen your skill is also a way to get much more confident. And the fact that you are right here learning, wanting to learn more, is an indication that you are ready to actually sharpen your skill. The more you know, the more you are confident in what you are doing. The more you know how to navigate some of the challenges that may arise in what you are doing, the confident you are. So what I will say to you is go for it. Take on the new draft, take on the new pattern. Also, you can start with simple designs if you are just new in it. But if you think that okay, you have gone past simple design, try those complex ones also. All right, take your time, research, look at how to draft the pattern, look at how others have also drafted the pattern in the time past, and I'm sure that you'll be able to do it. What you can also do is that you can also try out your designs or the drafted patterns. Try it on maybe a tulle or a fabric that you really won't mind if it doesn't come out great, and you might be surprised that it will even come out even better than you even envisage. Another thing that should help you to build your confidence in this sewing skill is you need to understand fabrics and the way they behave and why they behave the way they do. So that will help you to choose the right fabric for the right project. So I don't want you to feel down, I don't want you to give up. This craft is a very beautiful one, and by the time you give it what it takes, you would even be happy at how your beautiful creations will actually turn out to be. All right, so now back to what we are beading. I just hope that I've been able to encourage somebody. I just hope that, and if you are a fabric beader or you are just new to fabric beading and you feel that this is really tedious, I want to let you know that it's actually a work of patience, but the result is always what pays it all. By the time you see how beautiful you've been able to like transform the dress. Take for example this dress that I have on. We could have stopped at, let me just put the ruffles and let me stop right there. But if you go further to say, okay, I want to add more sparkle to this, you will see how this whole project will turn out at the end of the day. We could stop at the ruffles, but it will even be much more beautiful when you add more shine, more beads, and so on like that. So I don't want us to feel this is tedious enough and we want to give up. No, dressmakers and friends, let us give it what it takes, and I'm confident that we will all be glad by the time we see the results. Okay, so now I hope that you have also been able to learn how to stitch on these droplet beads to your ruffles. So if you are making a ruffle dress, maybe now or anytime soon, you could get a droplet beads like this. They are not so expensive right here in Nigeria. I think if you want to get some of this for 1,000 naira, you'll be able to get at least some quantity of this. Okay, so now you're going to see the final look of this dress, and you're going to see how beautiful it now looks after adding this droplet beads. Can you see what this is now? This is really nice, and it just took the ruffles to another level entirely. I hope you try your hands on this. I want to wish you good luck in your sewing, drafting, and embellishment journey. I'll see you again in this next video.